Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Shawn. I've been teaching coding and game design concepts for over 15 years. One of the best programs I've found to help with that is Roblox Studio. Roblox Studio is great because you can start as a beginner with the program. It's easy enough to understand. And you could move to more advanced coding and game design concepts to create advanced games. So it's great for beginners and intermediate and advanced users. But it's more than that. Roblox Studio is also a vehicle for your child to be able to gain the future ready skills they need for today's world. So as your child is learning about game design and coding, they're also learning how to problem solve, how to think creatively, how the design process works, and a bunch of other skills they need for today's world. So it becomes a vehicle for that. Now, as far as where your student would start in the tutoring program, if your student is new to coding and game design and new to Roblox Studio, I start right at the beginning. I start with basic 3D modeling and building concepts. We learn about the Lua coding language and object-oriented programming and how to do things like create loops in code, create functions, use logic, use variables. So all the basic coding concepts you start out with, we start with that. But if your student has experience, if they've done coding before, I find that out in the first session, the first tutoring session. I kind of ask them, what have you done before? What experience do you have? And we find the best place for them to start, and we progress from there. Another thing that's important that I mentioned before was future ready skills. So as I teach your student game design and coding skills, we also work on things like problem solving, dealing with coding problems that we run into. How to think creatively, how to use divergent thinking to come up with multiple solutions and multiple ideas. How to communicate, how to overcome challenges when you're dealing with a difficult coding problem and you're kind of frustrated. How do you overcome that? So we work on a bunch of skills that are integrated into the curriculum, into the tutoring, beyond just game design and coding skills. The other thing I want to mention is the pacing of the tutoring. So the pacing will be set to what's best for your child. If your child is on a concept they're having trouble with, we'll review it, we'll give different examples, we'll stay on it until they're comfortable with it. If we get to a part where your child finds it really easy and we're kind of flying through it, I'm going to pick up my pace so they stay engaged as we move on to the next topic. Overall, I think you'll find that Roblox Studio is a great program for your child to learn coding, game design skills, and help them prepare for the future. Okay, hope to see you in class. Bye, everybody.